Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie Quilts, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how I went about lighting up all of my Billy bookcases. So here we go. Hey everybody, I wanted to give you a quick video today on the lighting situation I have here for my IKEA Billy bookcases. So as you can tell, I've got the Billy bookcases that have the doors on the front. And I also added the extra bookcases up at the very top. So I do the glass on the top half and I cover the bottom half so that I can actually enjoy being able to be a little messy in some ways. So how I've done this, I'm going to open this up so you can see. These are the lights that I keep getting asked about. And what I wanted really important here is that I didn't want the lights to actually show. And so I will be adding a piece of trim that will go across here. But these are just hung up here. They are actually, you can see that there's just a couple little brackets there. But what I wanted to do was have a quarter round piece so that the light shines down on the shelf versus it shining directly down from the top or backlit, because it just doesn't look as good. This actually lights up what you're trying to display. So you can see that's what I've got in on all the shelves here. All the cords go over to the left and they are clipped in with those mini Christmas light clips. So you can get those, they're command strip Christmas light clips, and they hold my cords out of the way, which is brilliant. And I have not done anything with this yet. There's some of my pre-cuts, but this will all get tacked down too. I just haven't had time. And that cord runs out the side and they all attach together and they go behind my cabinet. And see, when you close your doors, you don't really even see the cords at all. But they run up across, and now I have a strip light that is on the top of this cabinet and shines up, but that's the only one that shines up. And then I have it coming over here to the side, and I've got to fix that because I have not done that yet. But they plug in down here, and they're all connected so I can voice control them. So at Christmas time especially, I don't want to go around and turn off everything, but I'll say, Alexa, turn off quilt room. And you can see it all turns off at once, and I don't have to go around turning things on and off. But if I want it to turn back on, I say, Alexa, turn on quilt room. And it all comes back. So that's kind of how I do it. I will link the lights I used and the bookcases. And I'll also include the plugs that I use as well that are capable for voice control. And yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope this was really helpful for you. Go light up your cabinets. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we will make something pretty together. See ya.